Oldham Ramblers volunteer footpath clearance and maintenance team were out again last week. When? Tuesday the 22nd of October 2024. Where? Working on footpaths on the Oldham Way off Buckstones Road Shaw heading towards Denshaw. What? Installing waymarker posts and waymarking. After recceing the route, 4 posts were installed this week. Who? 5 volunteers out this week: Ken, Bob, Paul, Keith and Neil. A big thank you to all the volunteers and thank you for watching. Volunteers working for walkers. Keep on walking.